Do you want to win back your customers and generate more sales from your stores? But you may run into three main hiccups. 1. Onboarding new staff and training them to be effective on sales floor. 2. Not getting the desired sales. 3. Store manager are not managing, motivating and measuring the sales team. So what are you going to do? So stay tuned. The answer is coming up in today's showcase. What's up? It's Shashank from Business Success Tools, helping retailers succeed through virtual and digital trainings. And today we are talking about Superstar Sales Course. Retail sales training that transform your staff into customer-focused sales generating superstars. Let's take a quick tour. This course agenda is divided into 7 parts. First, selling mindset. Second, customer service. Third, basic selling skills. Fourth, advanced selling skills. Fifth, close the sale. Sixth, after sales service. And seventh, what happens next? 32 animated scenarios created from real life scenarios that you can relate to. These scenarios will enable you to recognize the behaviors that you and your team must improve to increase productivity and sales. Now let's see how to use the program. You will be seeing a scenario with a behavior that is not acceptable and marked as don't. We have provided you with a workbook. You can go and make notes for yourself on each scenario. Then we will deliberate on the scenario and see what can be done in your store and how we can improve. Then we will watch an acceptable scenario or a best practice scenario. Then we will deliberate again on the scenario and see what can be done in your store and how you can improve the scenario in your store. You will learn to identify the link between these behaviors and the sales results. The workbook has a section of the typical sales results. If you're a busy store manager and want to manage, motivate and measure the performance of your team, you can do so by simply spending 3 to 5 minutes a day. So your training is on the go. Benefits of using this course. First, focus on individuals where they need to develop micro skills. Second, your staff can interact with you and each other on the app and validate what they are learning. And 3, store manager can upload their own content, be it a video, a PDF or an Excel sheet. And there's more. Gamification, leaderboard to maintain healthy competition, storytelling to trigger interest and engage your employees, and more than 1,000 questions to access from the question bank. So get the Superstar Sales Course now to deliver unbelievable customer service and get more sales. Hey, did I miss anything? Let me make it better for you. You get to work with me live, virtually for 2 days. Yes, you heard it right. You get to work with me for 2 days live, virtually. Now, what if you miss any part? You get the recordings for a complete month. We have you well covered. The question in your mind is, what's going to be my investment? So the price of this course is less than a price of a coffee. You want to know more? Click on the link below. So let's get started. Serve your staff and your customers and make lots of sales.